Many traders believe that adding more indicators will improve their results, but in practice, it often does the opposite. Many search for the latest indicator and quickly add it to their charts. And before long, their chart becomes cluttered with signals, and those signals don't always agree, and confusion and chaos ensues. Hi, I'm Tim from SPX Option Trader. The reality is that more indicators often create more confusion than clarity in 0DTE option trading. That's because each indicator is measuring a different thing. Some are based on momentum, others on averages, others on past price movement. So it's not unusual for them to point in different directions at the same time. And when that happens, the decision doesn't become clearer, it becomes slower. And that becomes a big issue in 0DTE trading, because speed is everything. The market moves very quickly, and decisions need to be made in real time. There isn't much time to sort through multiple signals and try to make sense of all of them. And by the time everything lines up perfectly, the opportunity is often already gone, or the move is already over. And when decisions are delayed, execution tends to suffer. And that typically impacts results. Simpler charts make it easier and quicker for a trader to make decisions. In my own charts, I focus on just a few basic reference points like support and resistance and key target levels. That's it. Over time, I found that removing additional indicators improved my trading significantly. Indicators that may be helpful in longer-term trading often just create confusion in fast-moving intraday conditions. What works over days or weeks doesn't always translate well into decisions that need to be made in seconds. And the more a trader has to examine at the same time, the longer decisions take. And in 0DTE trading, where decisions need to be made quickly, that extra information can become a distraction rather than a benefit. A simpler chart allows focus to stay on what matters without competing signals. Now, simpler doesn't mean less effective. It means easier to interpret in real time. And I'm not suggesting that indicators are useless in trading. But in fast-moving 0DTE trading, simplicity and speed of decision-making, that matters most. So the less clutter on your chart, the easier it is to make a decision. Take a hard look at your charts. Ask whether everything on them is truly necessary. Consider removing all but only one or two of the most important indicators that you use. In many cases, removing what is not essential can improve consistency more than adding something new.